This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm headed to the Loops Theater District, just a short block south of the fabulous Riverwalk, for a tour of one of the apartments at the landmark Century Tower. I'm in the foyer of Unit 1201, a one-bedroom with a large den. Very sleek, stylish bath is off to the left as you enter. Has large gray tile on the floor and in the shower surround. Frameless glass shower. It's a mirrored medicine cabinet with makeup mirrors as you open it. Nice size vanity. Coat closet with double hanging off to the left as you continue into the unit. The den is sizable enough that it would probably be used by many people as a guest bedroom. Could be a nice sized home office. There's a large closet. The apartment faces south and is flooded with sunlight. You're looking at blonde plank flooring that continues throughout the unit. You have a sleek kitchen with a tile backsplash, stainless steel appliances. There's a full-size front-loading stacked washer-dryer behind the cabinet doors. Dishwasher. Great sunshine flooding in through these windows. Track lighting in the kitchen and heading into the bedroom. South-facing window in the bedroom. Nice sized closet. You have your choice of different finish packages here at Century Tower, with a dark stain and a light. You're in the heart of the theater district, short block from the Riverwalk, in a great location in the Chicago Loop, close to public transit, close to the parks, close to River North dining and nightlife. Put this one on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.